Press play on a single photograph and watch it learn to breathe. It blinks, listens, and speaks your words with film-like confidence. One selfie plus one voice track saw how to 720p presenter in minutes. Free to try, or low cost in the cloud, no camera, no reshoots. Today we're unpacking how Alibaba's open-sourced WAN-2.2 S2V turns one image plus your audio into a convincing on-screen performance you can direct. And how to publish your first clip tonight with a 3-step pipeline. Why now? Open S2V undercuts monthly avatar tools on cost and privacy. Paid still leads on turnkey polish, support, and managed compute. Stay to the end for the handoff to our next video. Repo to first render to pose-guided gestures in under 10 minutes. Immediate wins you'll hear. No GPU option via hosted demos. Audio-driven lip sync that feels physical. Optional pose guidance for natural gestures. And 480p to 720p outputs that are web-ready in one pass. 1. A photograph that learns to breathe. AI video began as a clever trick that collapsed under scrutiny. Early systems pasted motion onto faces like stickers. Lips wobbled out of sync, cheeks smeared across frames, and eyes fluttered at random. Diffusion and, later, diffusion transformer approaches changed that by modeling continuity through time. Instead of treating each frame as an isolated painting, models learned where heads drift, how light holds from moment to moment, and how a sentence slows before a reveal. With temporal understanding, motion stopped faking and started reading as intention. This is the moment WAN-2.2 S2V enters. The S2V stands for speech to video. Rather than prompting pure imagination from text, you supply a portrait and a voice track. Speech is not merely sound, it is a map. Prosody marks tempo and subtle pauses. Phonemes determine mouth shapes and consonant bursts that tug cheeks and jaw. Emphasis nudges brows, eyelids, and micro tilts of the head. When a generator follows that map closely, the result stops reading as a puppet and starts reading as a performance. Access matters as much as capability. Public repositories and model hubs with runnable demos lower friction. Try a pipeline before you invest in hardware. Wire it into diffusers or comfy UI. Keep costs and privacy under your control. Because the ecosystem is open, small improvements travel fast. One creator publishes a noise schedule that preserves identity. Another refines a face detail step that avoids waxiness. A third shares a better default for breath timing. Quick hits. S2V targets 480p 720p, audio-driven sync, optional pose control, open weights via GitHub, hugging face, and model scope. Where open wins today, customization, local control, rapid integration. Where paid wins, turnkey polish and managed compute. For YouTubers, educators, and brands, the meaning is simple. A portrait becomes a performance surface you can direct, reuse, and localize. You write once, record once, and render many. Viewers bond with a stable on-screen identity. Your publishing rhythm accelerates. Your creative energy moves from logistics to storytelling. 2. Where do expressions come from? Give WAN-2.2 S2V 2 things: a clean portrait and a clear audio file. And it keeps 3 promises. Align with the voice, preserve the identity you supplied, and animate with believable nuance. Alignment begins with the waveform. Pauses, stress, and syllabic timing are distilled into a Visemes stream, the mouth shapes that correspond to phonemes. Good alignment does more than match lips. It coordinates cheeks, jaw, and breath timing so articulation feels physical. Identity is the second promise. Faces are fragile. Shift a jawline or brow too far and viewers sense the swap. The generator leans on cues from the source photo. Bone structure, hair silhouette, local lighting, and skin micro-contrast. The goal is not a mannequin. It is a believable you with an expressive range that does not melt into someone else. When viewers recognize the same face across episodes, trust compounds. Believability lives in micro-motions. Humans make tiny eye saccades while listening, blink on claws boundaries, and nod almost imperceptibly when a point lands. Left alone, the system introduces gentle camera-like drift so the shot never feels pinned to cardboard. When you want choreography, the broader WAN toolkit enables pose guidance. Provide a simple motion reference to steer shoulders, hands, or stance, while audio keeps the face locked to speech. That separation, audio for articulation, pose for movement, feels like directing rather than puppetry. Practical numbers matter. The S2V path targets crisp 480p and 720p outputs that compress cleanly for the web and render quickly enough for daily schedules. Open code and weights, GitHub, Hugging Face, Model Scope, accelerate community fixes and integrations. Capabilities include audio-driven synchronization and optional pose+audio control. Constraints to state plainly, profile angles and heavy occlusions are harder, identity can soften under poor source lighting, and local inference may call for high VRAM. The mix of precise alignment, optional pose, pragmatic resolutions, and open distribution creates a cinematic feel at web scale, designed to keep audiences inside the thought you are expressing, one well-timed syllable at a time. 3. From paragraph to performance in one afternoon. Start with a script you would be proud to read out loud. Record a clean narration in a quiet room. Choose a portrait that represents your channel's look, your headshot, a tasteful illustration, or a fictional brand character with consistent wardrobe and background. Feed the image and the audio to WAN-2.2 S2V, and you get a one-take host who maintains eyeline, tracks your cadence, and never asks for makeup or a second try. Pair it with screen capture or B-roll, and you've got a complete segment. Publish tonight, 3 steps. 1. Record a 45-90-second voiceover. Keep pacing natural. Leave tiny breaths before key points. 2. Pick a clean frontal headshot with soft light and minimal shadows. Avoid busy backgrounds and harsh side lighting. 3. Run S2V, export 720p, drop in 2 B-roll cuts, and upload with chapters. If you are testing, a free demo or low-cost cloud run gets you there without local GPUs. Now scale it. Keep the same avatar and swap only the audio to localize across languages. With careful translation and native quality voices, you release in multiple markets on the same day while preserving one visual identity. For product teams, that means synchronized feature updates everywhere. For education, it means lessons that reach more learners without fragmenting the brand. Music is a thriving lane. Feed a singing track and turn a still portrait into a performer who stays on beat and sells the chorus. Independent artists can pre-visualize ideas or publish stylized shorts without booking a studio. Language teachers can demonstrate pronunciation visually. Podcasters can add presence to audio-first content. When performance is pipeline-driven, iteration becomes play. Support and onboarding benefit immediately. Replace dense documentation with a calm guide who gestures lightly while explaining steps. When the interface changes, update the narration, regenerate the host, and keep the library fresh without a camera day. Agencies and brands get repeatable assets too. Approve one spokesperson look and produce dozens of targeted variations by changing scripts and voiceovers. Compliance gets easier because visuals are pre-cleared. Creative testing becomes simpler because tone can be A/B tested by swapping audio while the on-screen identity remains constant. If this flow saves you a filming day, tap like now. Micro reward. Use a 10-second pose clip. Relax shoulders, open palms, 5-degree nod at phrase breaks to fix stiff shoulders on first try. For accessibility, pair expressive avatars with accurate captions and clear on-screen text. In fast-moving situations, security notices, outages, recalls, a concise message delivered by a consistent avatar arrives before speculation takes root. Voice the update, render, publish, and keep people informed with calm authority. 4. Whispers from the control room. Ask 5 groups what an open speech-to-video release means, and you will hear 5 practical answers. Researchers see a living laboratory. With code and weights accessible, they can probe accents, tough consonant clusters, side lighting, occluded jawlines, profile views, laughter, whispering, and rapid emotion shifts. Because experiments are reproducible, small improvements become shared baselines. Expect fresh work on articulation metrics, identity stability over long monologues, and expression control that stays faithful to the source image. Creators see a scale lever. They have always wrestled with time, energy, and setup. When a voice track can drive a reliable on-screen presence, a daily or multi-weekly publishing cadence becomes feasible without trading polish for speed. The open ecosystem matters. Nodes, presets, and templates encode hard-won knowledge so new producers climb the quality curve quickly and veterans chase craft rather than wrestle basics. Producers and agencies see a control plane. Budgets, approvals, and brand safety are easier to manage when a spokesperson's face, framing, and demeanor are consistent across regions. Compliance can live inside the pipeline. Disclosure overlays, metadata signatures, watermark positions, and consent logs that satisfy stakeholders and platforms. Once those guardrails exist, debates about whether AI is allowed give way to decisions about how to deploy it responsibly at scale. The conversation shifts from fear to craft. Policy and trust leaders hold both promise and risk. The mechanism that powers multilingual education could impersonate without consent if abused. The counterweight is governance. Publish rules, honor likeness rights, label synthetic clips where context calls for clarity, and support authenticity signals that help viewers understand what they are seeing. Transparent practice is not a buzzkill. It is the social contract that keeps access open. The market reaction is straightforward. Open capability compresses time for incumbents, forcing faster upgrades in expressivity, identity retention, and runtime. It also nudges pricing away from pure generation toward orchestration, hosting, and rights management. Most importantly, it levels the field. Small teams with strong writing and taste can now compete with studios that once won on logistics alone. When performance becomes a file type, ideas with craft win, and that is excellent news for viewers. Who this is for? Solo creators, agencies, SaaS teams with frequent release notes, and educators localizing lessons. 5. Tomorrow's director is a prompt. Project. The next 12 months and a few bets look safe. First comes a director-agent workflow. Instead of juggling steps, you will describe intent, script, tone, pace, gestures, and a coordinating layer will assemble the avatar, choose lensing, place micromoves, and render variations. Your role becomes showrunner. Approve, tweak, publish. That shift turns video from a day of logistics into an hour of creative review and frees calendar space for research, writing, and community. Next comes multi-character dialogue. With one photo per speaker and a timed script, small scenes, interviews, debates, role-plays become routine. Pose guidance handles blocking while speech drives expression. A scene brain chooses angles and maintains continuity. Education channels animate classroom exchanges, marketers stage product conversations, storytellers build recurring ensembles that audiences come to know and anticipate. Resolution climbs through the intelligent pipelines. Base renders at modest sizes feed temporal upscalers and face refiners tuned to preserve identity rather than plasticize skin. The result is crisp footage that resists smear and shimmer. For hero moments, you spend extra compute. For day-to-day explainers, you keep the fast path and publish without delay. Latency drops as runtimes improve, opening near real-time speech-to-video for webinars and interactive training where the presenter answers on the fly. Governance gets productized. Expect standard disclosure cues, signed metadata, and provenance indicators that platforms can surface automatically. Teams that adopt transparent labeling will face fewer takedowns and steadier monetization. To prepare, build a repeatable avatar look, sketch a multilingual pipeline, collect short pose clips for visual punctuation, and decide now where you disclose and where you watermark. The final prediction is cultural. When the cost of a convincing performance falls to a paragraph in a voice track, ideas compete more fairly. The winners pair capability with integrity, clear writing, honest labeling, and a style that respects viewers' time. Do that, and the next year will feel less like a wave to survive and more like a studio you finally own. Next upload? Repo to first render to pose guided gestures. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss it. A still image becoming a credible performance is no longer a party trick. It is a production choice you can make today. Aim it at work that deserves to exist, disclose it well, and let your ideas travel. When performance becomes a file type, the distance from script to screen becomes a creative choice, not a logistical burden. Use that freedom wisely and use it often. And